Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Easy English Podcast. I'm your host, and today we're learning about the airport, all the words and phrases you need for check-in, security, boarding, flights, luggage, and arrivals. Through a very long, natural conversation, you will learn 50 essential airport words to speak, listen, and travel confidently in English. Grab your notebook and let's explore the airport together. 50 airport vocabulary words. 1. Airport. I arrive at the airport early. 2. Terminal. The terminal is very busy today. 3. Check-in counter. Go to the check-in counter for your flight. 4. Flight. My flight departs at 3 p.m. 5. Boarding pass. Show your boarding pass at the gate. 6. Passport. Don't forget your passport. 7. Visa. Check if your visa is valid. 8. Baggage. Your baggage is too heavy. 9. Luggage. Carry your luggage carefully. 10. Security check. Go through the security check. 11. Metal detector. Walk through the metal detector. 12. X-ray machine. Place your bag on the X-ray machine. 13. Duty-free. Buy souvenirs at the duty-free shop. 14. Gate. The gate for your flight is B12. 15. Boarding. Boarding starts at 2:30 p.m. 16. Arrival. Check the arrival board for updates. 17. Departure. Departure is delayed by 30 minutes. 18. Delay. There is a delay for your flight. 19. Cancelled. The flight is cancelled. 20. Gate number. Your gate number is displayed on the screen. 21. Aircraft. The aircraft is ready for boarding. 22. Airline. Which airline do you fly with? 23. Seat. Your seat number is 12A. 24. Window seat. I prefer a window seat. 25. Aisle seat. I like an aisle seat for easy access. 26. Tray table. Fold down your tray table. 27. Overhead compartment. Put your bag in the overhead compartment. 28. Seat belt. Fasten your seat belt. 29. Captain. The captain welcomes passengers on board. 30. Flight attendant. The flight attendant shows you your seat. 31. Trolley. Push your trolley through the airport. 32. Immigration. Go through immigration before boarding. 33. Customs. Declare your items at customs. 34. Baggage claim. Pick up your bag at baggage claim. 35. Carousel. The bags arrive on the carousel. 36. Airport lounge. Relax in the airport lounge. 37. Information desk. Ask questions at the information desk. 38. Taxi stand. Take a taxi from the taxi stand. 39. Shuttle bus. The shuttle bus goes to the terminal. 40. Boarding gate announcement. Listen carefully to the boarding gate announcement. 41. Travel insurance. Get travel insurance for safety. 42. Jet bridge. Walk through the jet bridge to the aircraft. 43. In-flight meal. The in-flight meal is served after takeoff. 44. Headphones. Use headphones to watch movies on board. 45. Emergency exit. Locate the emergency exit before takeoff. 46. Life jacket. The flight attendant shows how to use the life jacket. 47. Landing. The plane is landing soon. 48. Takeoff. The pilot announces takeoff is imminent. 49. Arrival hall. Meet your friends in the arrival hall. 50. Connecting flight. I have a connecting flight in New York.
Airport conversation. Hi, Mark. Are you ready for your trip? Let's start at the airport.
Yes, Lily. Which terminal is my flight from?
Go to the check-in counter of your airline. Don't forget your passport and boarding pass.
Okay, I also need to show my visa, right?
Yes. After that, go through security check. You'll pass the metal detector, and your bag will go on the X-ray machine.
What if I want to buy souvenirs?
Head to the duty-free shops near your gate. Boarding starts soon, so check the gate number.
Got it. I hope there are no delays.
Sometimes departures are delayed. They might even be canceled, so listen to the boarding gate announcements.
On the plane, I'll be next to the aisle seat. I prefer it over the window seat.
Remember to put your bag in the overhead compartment, fold down your tray table, and fasten your seatbelt.
Thanks. What about the flight attendant and captain instructions?
Follow them carefully. The in-flight meal comes later. You can use headphones to watch movies.
After landing, I go through immigration, then customs, then pick up luggage at baggage claim.
Exactly. Your bag comes on the carousel. If you're tired, relax at the airport lounge.
And to leave the airport, I can take the shuttle bus or get a taxi from the taxi stand.
Don't forget travel insurance for emergencies and know the location of emergency exits and life jackets.
Wow, now I know everything. Check-in, security, boarding, flight, arrival, and even connecting flights.
Perfect. That's why practicing airport vocabulary is so useful for travelers. Thank you for listening to the Easy English Podcast. I hope you enjoyed learning airport vocabulary and hearing how to use these words in real conversations. If you liked this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Remember, practice every day and your English will improve quickly. See you in the next episode. Keep learning, keep practicing, and travel confidently.